Hi everyone. So today I'm going to share a awesome plugin that will allow you to switch to different user account and check your website content for the specific user. So suppose you added a content specifically for the customer. So you can switch to the customer account without having access their username or password, and then also revert back to your admin account. You can switch to any user role, even the customer user role. So let's see how we can use this plugin. So at first, go to your dashboard and under the plugins, click to add new plugin and then search for user switching. Then you will find multiple options, but we'll go with the first option. So I have just installed and click to active. Then if you go back to the user page, you will find the option to switch to. So if I prefer to switch to this customer, so I can just click to Satman Sakib. So I have switched to this user. And if I visit the website, I can see the website. And if I go back to the dashboard, I'll find the option to switch back to my main user account. So after click to switch back, I will have the option to switch back to this user. So this way you can switch to any of the user from there. This is cool, right? So you don't have to log out your main account, find the login information for other account and logged into their account and then logged out again, logged in again, back and forth, back and forth. So you don't have to do it again, right? So give it a try and let me know how you feel like this plugin. If you found this helpful, you can let me know by comment video. Thanks for watching the video and have a nice day.